Purity of Grade 7B studying in Fiji Global School, Chennai. And I'm here to talk about the topic, the Enigma of the Moon, Unravelling Mysteries through Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan was a program launched by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, to study the moon. There were three missions up to now. Chandrayaan-1, which was launched in 2008, and during this mission, we found the presence of water on moon. Next is Chandrayaan-2. Its objective was to soft land on the moon and to soft land near the south pole of the moon. But unfortunately, it was not successful. But it's not a failure, it's a half success because the orbiter of Chandrayaan-2 is still revolving around the moon. And it is said that it will revolve for a few more years. And next is Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 is made for this, it is fulfilling the same objective of as Chandrayaan-2 to go and soft land near the south pole of the moon. And instead of using cameras to decide the landing position, it's using pictures taken by the orbiter of Chandrayaan-2 to decide its landing area. And it's also using the orbiter to have communication with the ISRO team and the lander. So now let's talk about more details of Chandrayaan-3. So talking about its payloads, there are mainly 7 payloads. The first one is Ramba LP, next is LIBS, or then APXS, then it is LRA, then CHASTE, SHAPE, and the last one is ILSA. So we'll start from this. We'll start with Ramba. Ramba LP, also like radio anatomy of moon-bound hypersensitive ionosphere and atmosphere, and LP means Langmuir probe. This is basically a probe which finds the return current of coming from the lunar surface. Next is LIBS, which uses laser to find out what mineral is there present in lunar soil and rocks. Same applies for APXS, but it uses alpha particles and X-rays to find out. Next is CHASTE. It's basically a temperature. It's basically a thermometer of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. Next is LRA, which is basically a locator to locate where the Vikram lander is. Then it's ILSA. Its name is Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity. That means it measures moonquakes. And then last is SHAPE. It's a payload on the propulsion module which propels the Vikram lander into the orbit of the moon. So this SHAPE, that is spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth, studies the Earth from the lunar orbit and other exoplanets too. And as per the findings of LIBS and APXS, few minerals have been found like sulfur, calcium, iron, chromium, silicon, oxygen. Wait, oxygen? Yes, oxygen has been found as compounds, and many countries have started to research how to extract this oxygen and use it for daily use. So now let's see about some records which India has broken by Chandrayaan-3. So India became the first country to land to soft land near the south pole of the moon. I told you like it is it's a hidden side. So and it also became the fourth country to soft land on the moon. That's a very good achievement. Well done, India. Next, but first thing, why are we doing all this research? Why are we spending all this money? Why are many countries having this? Why are they paying so much? Why are they researching? Why is this for? This is because in after a few years we cannot live on this earth anymore because our earth is turning. Our earth is not able to live properly. So now what? So we need to go to other planets, like nearby planets. If we are not, if our Earth is going to just go dry in just another 20 to 40 years, then our best choice is to go to the moon because moon is the nearest celestial body, and it is also very important to study the moon because the moon is the nearest celestial body, and by knowing it, we know quite a lot what about other planets. So and also this also stays like a race, technological race, who advances more. So I guess I myself think like this is why mainly people, countries, why all everyone are trying to advance technology and try to go. And I really support India and its contribution towards space and living and contribution to space exploration and lunar science. I'm so happy. Thank you. Jai Hind.